secure in the warmth from the earth's core. Feel your spine begin to lengthen. Allow an elongation of your physical structure and energy to reach upward, stretching beyond the crown of your head like the resilient branches of an ancient oak. Feel yourself pushing through the ceiling, through the roof, and out into the open air. You are growing, expanding, and reaching for the great above. As your great branches climb, notice the changes in the air. You pass through the heavy, humid layers of the weather and feel the mist of the clouds brush against your skin. Keep reaching. The air grows thin, cool, and crisp as you leave the wind behind. There is a profound silence here in the high atmosphere. The resistance of the world falls away, leaving only the steady, rhythmic pull of your upward growth. As you emerge through the final veil, you feel the sudden, vast openness of the cosmos. Here in the velvet dark, there is no weight. And you are made of the same star stuff as your planetary siblings. The purest cosmic matter that binds all things. You notice that you can breathe here perfectly. The air is not gas, but pure energy, and you feel the pulse of the universe vibrating against your fingertips. You are able to stretch your branches across the galaxies, touching the cold fire of distant stars. In this space, you are not a small thing. You are a vital, sentient part of the cosmos itself. Hold this sensation in your body. Your roots are anchored in the molten heart of the Earth's core, and your branches are woven into the limitless light of the ancient stars. You are the living bridge. You are the conduit between the deep stone and the cosmic infinity. This is your natural state, an integrated rhythmic life that bridges the physical and the spiritual. You are the lightning rod through which wisdom flows from both the heart of the world and the heart of the universe. Slowly, with ease, begin to settle back into your physicality. As you return, know that these connections cannot be sundered. You are not shrinking. You simply inhabit your physical form while remaining vast. The wisdom of the core and the energy of the stars are always available to you. You are both grounded and boundless. And when you are ready, carry this frequency of the bridge back into the physical room with you.